Hey guys, it's Mandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because in the mail came the Fall Fabfitfun 2018 Editor's Box. These boxes every season are amazing. I have not yet unboxed an Editor's Box, and if you don't know what that is, I will tell you in this video. Before we jump into it, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and if you are new here, hello, I'm Mandy. And also give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more unboxings like this one, or if you enjoy this. And now let's jump into it. Let's go. Okay, so here is the box that I got in the mail. If you guys don't know, Fabfitfun boxes are $49.99. There are 4 that come out each year, 1 for each season, and I have a code with them that I will put on the screen right now. That will give you $10 off of your first box. It will be $39.99, which you will see these boxes are insane. I'm actually going to add up the value of every item in the box. So what the editor's boxes are is basically after the fall box sells out, the fall editor's boxes become available, and those are essentially boxes that are picked by members and editors, well, items that are picked by members and editors that are put into the box, just top rated brands and products that they have loved in the past. So this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna open it off, or maybe I'll open it on camera. So that is what it looks like. Okay, so first you have this Fabfitfun magazine, and it says your box is full of secrets. So there you go. These magazines are so cute just to put on your coffee table. The first thing you get in here are the Cobra wireless earbuds. These I already have, and they're amazing. My boyfriend steals them, so wow. And these are pretty pricey. So these are, again, wireless Bluetooth headphones. They're amazing for working out. So next up is this ring, and I've wanted a ring like this. So this is by the brand Earth Jewelry. So this is what it looks like. These pearls are so iridescent. I will show you guys a close-up because I don't think you can see how beautiful it is. And it's so minimalistic, which I love. And it's adjustable too. Like, this finger is pretty wide, so this one looks like this, but you can put it on any finger and just adjust the size, which is really cool. Wow, this is pretty. I love this. I'm gonna be wearing this in every video. Okay, so next up, this is so cute. Free People, how do they do it? Okay, let's open this up. So yeah, this is really cute. Okay, this is why I like unboxings, because we figured it out together. So this is the Free People times understated leather starry-eyed travel eye. So this is what it looks like, and then this is inside of it, this jelly thing. So I just took it out, and it says this vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. And you could also use this in a decorative way and totally put it in your vanity area. This is just beautiful to look at in real life as well. Okay, so next up you get this body wash infused buffer. This looks really cool. I have been really into bath products. So this is what it looks like. Let's read a little bit about this because they're always such interesting items that I want to learn more about. So this is the body buffer in Freesia Pear. Cleanse and moisturize from neck to toe with this body buffer. The exfoliating massage texture of the sponge changes to a soft, silky one as you squeeze it. Okay, Ahava, a brand that I've talked about before on my channel and a brand that is near and dear to my heart. So this brand has Dead Sea minerals from, yes, you guessed it, the Dead Sea. So it's a really great brand because the products do work. So I'm really excited that they actually included this in the box. So this is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I have used this cream. It is good. So this says, experience the wonders of the Dead Sea. No passport required. This mineral-rich hand cream instantly improves skin's moisture level, smoothing rough, dry skin and restoring suppleness. So yes, it does do that. Ahava products, amazing, and they're so expensive. Next up, something you guys know I love, GlamGlow products. They are good, they are consistently good, and yeah, they work. So these are their bubble sheet masks. If you guys have seen them on Instagram, they basically bubble up. They look really cool, and they are so much fun. If you guys have any younger sisters or brothers, they will absolutely love this if you do want to give it to them because it is a good product, so you might want to save it for yourself. These are also great stocking stuffers. If you want to get this box and save these for stocking stuffers, that would be great too. Okay, up next you have, it looks like a Summer in Rose. It's like a tote bag, I think. Let's see. Yes. So it's a tote bag. This is what it looks like. So this is really nice. So let's see how much space there is inside. There's a lot of space. So you can use this in college. You can use it as a tote to take to work along with your purse or just this. You can use this for groceries. You can use this to throw your shoes in it. So it's pretty versatile. So this says that it has rope handles and it's also vegan leather, which I appreciate. Okay, so the last thing in here is this Detox bath. And let me just read more about it. Again, loving all these pampering products. So this says that it's a Cusio, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Somathology, yes, detox bath. Whether you finish an intense workout or just want to unwind, treat yourself to a detox salt bath. So I'm gonna have to give this a try and let you guys know, and this is valued at $39.95. Okay, so that is basically it for this box. If you do want the $10 off, you can again use my code. I will put it up on the screen. I will put it in the description box below. Again, it is not an affiliate code, but I'm really excited for you guys to try this out. I really also love these boxes. I mean, honestly, the reason I like these boxes the most is because you get so much for your money. That is undeniable to me. And also, besides the point that you get the most insane amount of products for your money, it's great to discover new brands. For instance, this one I did not know about. I've been looking for a new brand for jewelry just because I have been so into jewelry lately. I mean, I've always been into jewelry, but I've been really into rings lately. So I'm really excited that I just discovered this new brand, and the quality of this piece is amazing. So it's great for that as well. And it's also fun just to have, it's kind of a pick-me-up. We are so busy in our daily lives, whether it's with school, with family, with work, just life is so stressful nowadays. I feel like it gets more and more stressful every year. So having these boxes come to your doorstep, it kind of serves as a nice pick-me-up, show of self-appreciation. So I really like it for that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you loved what is in this box. Again, cannot believe it. And I will see you guys soon in my next video. I'm trying to think, is there anything else to say? I think that is it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you back here for another video. Make sure to join the family and subscribe right now. Bye guys. Love you.